Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you this makeup look. It has like a nice greenish detail on the lower lash line, and I think it looks very cute. I'm also adding some false eyelashes, which I think they add a lot to the makeup look, and so I hope that you guys really like it. I haven't done a makeup video in a little bit, like a full-on makeup video, so I hope that you guys really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below, and I'll also leave you all my social media links in the description box down below. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna start by using the Lunar Beauty Facelift palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Sickening, which is this on this right side. It's like a nude-ish eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use that as like a transition shade or like a base for all over the eye. So that you guys know, I already did my foundation and eyebrows, so all we're gonna focus on is doing the eyes and the rest of the face, which is like contouring, blush, and lipstick. Now I'm gonna mix the shades Meaty and Hunty and add that on this upper side of the eye. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use my eyeliner. I'm using the tattoo eyeliner from KVD Beauty, and I'm gonna try to do a cat eye. And I'm gonna take this small flat brush along with the e.l.f. gel glitter, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. And this adds a lot of color to your look. Like, you can do something like very basic on your eyes, even if you don't know makeup, and just add a little bit of color, either like some rhinestones or some glitter on your eye, and it really changes everything. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I don't know if you can really see it, but I'm gonna do a close-up. And for the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna add some of the Full Fantasy shade here, which is like glitter, a lot more glitter, and add that in the inner corner. And usually on my videos, I don't wear falsies like fake eyelashes or a lot of mascara, because I usually have eyelash extensions. But today we're gonna try the Glamnetic lashes. I think I've already used them on another video, and I also have a reel on my Instagram if you want to check it out. I'll link all my social media down below in the description box. But yeah, we're gonna try this lashes with this look. First of all, I am gonna apply some eyeliner. That's all you need because they are magnetic. So we're gonna apply some of this liquid eyeliner, and I basically just apply it where the lashes are gonna go, and I like applying it very close to the lash line. While this dries, I'm also gonna apply some mascara so my lashes can blend in with those falsies, and I'm using the Yuya mascara. This is a Mexican brand. So my camera actually died while I was applying the lashes, but it's actually super easy. You just literally just get them close to that eyeliner that you applied, and that is it. They get sticks super easy, and like you can see, I can pull and like nothing happens. To remove them, you can just use some makeup remover, or if you need to fix them real quick, the placement, you can simply like pull them and reapply them real quick, and everything will be fine, and it changes the whole look. I love it. To have the green pop up a lot more, I'm gonna add some green eyeshadow. This is the Common Sis from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply it over the glitter. I'm also applying mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using the same Yuya mascara, and I do want it even more dramatic, so I'm adding some rhinestones. Like I've mentioned in some other videos, I got this from Michael, so you can get yours, and they're so cheap. They have some petals and some stars and just whatever you need. They're kind of just following the wing, and that way it also doesn't bother your eye when you're closing it. Now for some bronzer and blush. For bronzer, I'm using, or contour stick, I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour stick on shade Truffle. And then for blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty blush on shade Joy. And I'm gonna apply some of this and blend it with a beauty sponge. Finally, for lipstick, I'm gonna apply the Disney Designer lipstick collaboration with Colourpop on the shade Prince Naveen. To finish off the makeup, I'm applying some setting mist with hyaluronic acid by Colourpop. This is the Pretty Fresh. I love this mist, and it also smells very good. So that's basically it for this video. I hope that you guys really like it. I love adding this kind of small details to the makeup. It can be a very easy and simple makeup, but just adding a little bit of glitter or color to it, it changes everything. Also the lips, I feel like they do everything, and lashes, like just everything. I hope that you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to do a video kind of reviewing this kind of lashes, Glamedic, what I think about them, and kind of like showing you how to apply them and remove them. I would love to do something like that. I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Bye guys!